Hi, I am inviting you to read our opinion about Hotel Solmarina in Wiślinka next to Gdańsk. Next to means that road sign Gdańsk is only 200 meters from the hotel. The investment was carried out by Degpol as a condo hotel. You could buy a room for the price from 398,000 zloty. It is one of the few hotels in Poland where you can get with your own boat. It started working on the 1st of August 2023, so it's quite new. It is one of the reasons why we decided to visit it as a first one. The building has 10 floors, but you won't find any view platform. It's a pity. The only terrace is on the 3rd floor, and there is also a bar called Sunset. Check-in was easy and in a professional atmosphere. However, we weren't informed that parking is an additional fee, 70 zloty per day. We belong to those hotel guests who prefer to save on parking, especially if the infrastructure near the hotel allows it. There is an undeveloped area where your car could be left. You know that you can always unpack your luggage for free. Hotel does not have luggage strollers, so if you have a lot of luggage, as we did, you may have to pick up it several times. We chose a superior room located between the 3rd and 5th floors. We received room 305, which is on the 3rd floor. The size of the room is 19 square meters. In our opinion, it is small, but with the marina view and view of distant Gdańsk. The lights of the nearby refinery made the evening landscape more pleasant. As a greeting, there was a Christmas gift waiting for us. Inside we found delicious gingerbread, Christmas tea, and a small elegant jar of body scrub, as well as a greeting card. The television includes Polish, English, and French channels. There are also children's channels and TV and Turbo. At home, we only watch YouTube and Netflix, which are not available here. We think it is a shortcoming nowadays. The tabletop under the TV is quite long, definitely enough for work. However, there was no drawer for small or handed items. The hotel guide is in electronic form as a QR code and contains all necessary information. The bed is very comfortable. The hotel bedding is very pleasant to the touch. There are only 2 pillows, medium size, but it was too big for us. We are used to sleeping on orthopedic pillows. There are lamps built into the backrest of the bed, useful for reading at night, and also light switch and electrical sockets. There is only one bedside table. On the other side of the bed, you can use small tables which are included with the armchair but aren't very practical because we gradually moved them during the day. Coffee set is standard. Coffee, tea, sugar, creamer. Below you will find a fridge which was empty without bar price list. However, right next to it you will find very practical shelves for placing things that do not need to be in fridge. A large wardrobe with anti-theft hangers, inconvenient solution. Opposite the wardrobe, there are 2 small, mysterious wooden circles. If you use it as a hangers, you won't close the door. A bathroom was optimal size with a heated, very warm floor, giving a pleasant experience, decorated in gentle shades of beige. There are lack of hooks. Only one double hook is available. To dry all the towels and bathrobes, we also had to use the heater and the shower glass. Additional advantage was hot radiator, everything dried quickly. There are washing liquids in the dispensers, body cream at the sink, and shampoo in the shower, each with a pleasant scent. A brilliant solution is the shower faucet. The right knob is used to set the temperature, while the left knob is used to select where to pour water, either from the shower head or from the rain shower. To do it, you must press the button and change the position of the knob at the same time. It prevents a surprise of pouring water on your head, especially when you don't want it. You could be surprised because there are 2 zero buttons in the elevator. Both are used to get to the ground floor, but only one button works without using a card and opens the elevator doors facing the exit from the building. The second button works only when you put your hotel card and opens the door to the wellness area. At the spa reception, we can exchange the special cards received upon check-in for bathrobes. It is free, but their size ends in L, which may not suit for everyone. There are no time limits. The swimming pool is open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m., but the last hour is for adults only. The water in the pool is rather cold, so most guests choose the jacuzzi and it could be crowded. You can use the sun loungers by the pool and enjoy drinking water with plastic glasses. Beware of a very slippery floor. The sauna is open from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. and can start working earlier on request. The temperature is about 95 degrees Celsius. It is too hot for us. The floor is hot. There are no wooden platforms to walk comfortably. The zone is fully lit and there is no place to change clothes before sauna. Overall, there is no sense of coziness and privacy. The gym is very well prepared with the latest exercise equipment, equipped with multimedia innovations. Everyone will find something for himself. The hotel is definitely not suitable for children. There is no playroom or paddling pool in the swimming pool. The only playground is outdoors, but it is poor and rather for children older than 4 years old. The restaurant is pleasantly decorated with interesting chandeliers and a bar in the central bar. There are several types of hot meals. First impression, small selection, but on closer inspection, you can choose fish, 2 types of meat, grilled vegetables, additions such as groats or baked potatoes, and a delicious soup, cold meats and cheeses, bread, salads, herring, meat or fish tartar. There's always something for dessert, including pancakes, cakes, and fruit. The quantity of dishes is optimal and the meals deserve recognition because they are really tasty. Coffee machine is available for both breakfast and dinner. Hot drinks can be spiced up with cinnamon and whipped cream. Cold drinks included juices, lemonades, and apple smoothies. We would happily come back to eat there. We booked our stay with group purchase between Christmas and New Year 2024. 2 nights in a double room with breakfast cost 615 zloty. We paid an extra 84 zloty for a room on a higher floor and 323 zloty for dinner. The total cost was 1022 zloty, excluding parking. And one more thing. It is a pretty nice hotel with delicious food for people traveling without children.